Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some area, perimeter and some measurement questions in general. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. They've said to us in the parallelogram, which is quite important, I'm going to mark in some of the parallel sides just in case I need them. Also, because it's parallelogram, I know this side is equal to 5 centimeters, and I know that this whole side is equal to 12 centimeters. Brilliant. AB is equal to 5 centimeters, which has been marked in. AD is equal to 12 centimeters, and BT is equal to 3 centimeters. They've also said to us that AT is perpendicular to BC, which they've marked in using that little square at angle T. First up, they've asked us to calculate the size of AT. Now, the first thing you should notice is that this triangle is a right angle triangle, and there's only one thing we can do when we see a right angle triangle, and that's to engage the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we know because AT is not our hypotenuse, it's not going to equal the sum of the other two sides, but the hypotenuse squared minus the other side squared. So let's write that out. So we know that AT squared is going to equal AB squared minus BT squared, and that is as a result of Pythag. Perfect. So now we can subs in some of the values we know. AT squared is what we're looking for. AB squared is 5, so that's 5 squared, so I'm going to write 25 straight away. And then minus BT squared is 3, so that's going to be 9, and I'm going to write 9 straight away. So AT squared is going to equal 16, so 25 minus 9 is 16. And once I square root both sides, I know that AT is equal to 4 centimeters in total. That gets us a good couple of marks. Right, so I'm going to write that in. AT is equal to 4 centimeters. Brilliant. Right, very last thing I need to do is 11.2. Calculate the perimeter of trapezium ADCT. So what is the one we're looking for? ADCT. So we know perimeter is simply the measurement around the entire shape. So I'm going to say the perimeter is equal to 4 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, and then the last one is the only little tricky bit. It's this line over here. We know the full line is 12, but we've got 3 centimeters over there that we need to subtract, so that's going to be plus 9 centimeters. So now we've got 4 plus 12 is 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 9 is 30 centimeters, and that gives us the total perimeter of the trapezium ADCT. Now they've said to us for 11.2.2 the area of trapezium ADCT. Now we can break this up into the area of a rectangle and the area of a triangle, or we can use our trapezium formula, the area of a trapezium formula. I'm going to use the area of a trapezium formula just so that you know it. So the area of a trapezium is equal to what? Okay. So the area of a trapezium is simply equal to half the sum of the parallel sides times height. Right, so the half the sum of the parallel sides, we've got 12 plus 9. So 12 plus 9 gives us 21. And then the perpendicular height gives us 4. And that is going to give us half times 4 is 2. 2 times 21 is going to give us 42 centimeters squared. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.